Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and share a little thrift store haul of mine. So I got these items from a thrift store. First, I got this gorgeous little mirror. It is a plastic frame, but it's super cute. This was only $1. Next, I got this cute little footrest. So I am planning on reupholstering this, and this was only $2. I just love the wooden legs on this. It's super cute. You can tell someone did reupholster it, put this little fluffy fabric over it. I'm not quite sure what's underneath. Looks like it's got some sort of floral pattern. But I'll be taking this off and reupholstering it with just a plain simple pattern. But I just love the legs of this thing. Anyways, so next I got this beautiful wooden rolling pin. It was only $2. I just love the aged weathered wood look. It's just gorgeous. I have a thing for rolling pins. Next I got this cute little vintage camera. It's not in the best condition. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, and it looks like it has some damage on this one side right here. Just thought this was super cute. I really love the vintage look of it. This was $3. Next I got this cute little vintage glass jar. It has these little wire things. It's super cute, and this was 25 cents. And lastly, I got this gorgeous picture frame. It does have quite a bit of damage on it. Some of the detailing has broken off, but I think it still has a nice look to it. This was listed at $20, but because of its condition, I was able to talk them down, and they gave it to me for $15. It's a beautiful antique picture frame. So I'm thinking about trying to hang a wreath maybe in the middle of it, to see how that looks. And so thank you for watching this little video. Hope you enjoyed this little haul I did, and be sure to tune in next week and see more about this little mantle behind me. We'll see you guys later.